Hey guys, it's Dave from the Brain Bulwark, and today I'm bringing you a presentation about Noopept. And this is one of the first presentations we'll do on nootropics, but I do plan to cover most of the fundamental nootropics that I recommend and even some of the more advanced ones. So first we'll go over how Noopept does what it does. And what it does is basically increase your endogenous, which just means inside your body, the amount of cyclo-L-propylglycine. And what that does is it causes your body to produce more of these two specific proteins, and these are nerve growth factor and brain-derived neurotrophic factor. And these proteins, it's a complex process, but basically what they do is they allow the existing neurons to survive better, they allow growth of new ones, and they allow cells to differentiate into neurons and synapses. This is called neurogenesis, which is big. It's a huge health benefit, and that's a large part of the reason why I prefer Noopept to others when you're looking to build your stack. As you can see on the bottom, it does have a solid bioavailability, which means how much actually reaches its target receptors or penetration through the blood-brain barrier, which is making it take effect, essentially. And just to break this down, who prefer this to be a little bit more simple and digestible. All right? So basically, as I mentioned, Noopept allows your brain to build more neurons, keep its existing ones, and also increase the connection between existing neurons, which we would call a neural network. And a bonus feature is it actually has an anxiolytic effect, which means it's able to reduce anxiety in an individual. And this is huge because a lot of people, their perceived amount of anxiety can cripple their ability to perform cognitive tasks. So for us, being able to reduce anxiety on top of supported cognitive benefit is fantastic because it means we're attacking our goal from multiple angles and aspects, and that's really what we always strive to do. All right, so what those two proteins ultimately lead to is an increase in one's ability to learn new information and form new memories. And when we talk about forming new memories, there's three main aspects that we consider. That's processing the information initially, when you're initially exposed to novel information, consolidating that information in the hippocampus, which we're familiar with from the sleep deprivation presentation, and then being able to recollect and recall this information when needed in the future. So these two proteins, NGF and BDNF, help with all of these steps. And that, on top of the anxiolytic effect, really solidifies Noopept's position in any nootropic stack.